Genially is an all-in-one content creation tool that anyone can use to create amazing interactive and animated content in a fast and easy way. With Genially, it's easy to achieve great results without needing to have programming or graphic design knowledge.
The interface is designed down to the smallest detail to ensure it is user-friendly. Creating content is as easy as selecting and dragging the elements. Combine the power of technology and word processing to reach a higher level in interactive content creation. Our differentiating value is versatility. There are a wide variety of types of creations that can be made with Genially, from presentations to infographics, resumes to guides, and much more.
This is a great advantage. You learn to work with one unique tool, but it allows you to overcome lots of different challenges throughout your career. With it, you'll save time and money.